Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And if you just watched the last video, I was using find and replace to find these blue ones, but I could not nudge them over with the arrow keys. A couple ways you can do it. You go to edit and you could copy them and then nudge them over. Let's put them back. Let's select them again with find all. You could move them out of the way, undo, and then you can move them over. Or, for some reason, I'm getting these round bounded boxes. You could just click on your arrow and then nudge it over on your 2-point cross. Then I started thinking this is a pretty cool design. You could actually go even further with it. And let's move that over. Let's get a different color. Let's see, we haven't used yellow. And then, you could do a tremendous amount of colors. Let's use blue. And, you could color. What's happening is the circle is stopping us from doing that. And really in the same way, once you get those, well, really we only need 2 of them. Let's take that one away. Let's just move this out of the way. See, that's what I'm talking about. I can nudge things out of the way with my arrow keys. Evidently didn't get that one. Let's group this together, Control G, and then let's put P, put it in the center of the page. And then let's ungroup them. And then we should be able to select that yellow, and it's showing you right there. Hold down the Shift key and select that orange. Group them together, Control G. Move our rotation to the center. If you wanted those 2 colors just to remain the same. And then let's open up the Windows, Dockers, transform. And you fill those in really fast. And you could just keep going. You could have every little section that's between these lines filled in with different colors. If you're a printer. For laser engraving, not that big a deal. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.